He wasn't there. She's a doctor. They've been playing. The book was interesting. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the verb to be. What is it? How do we use it? And why is it so important? Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. If you're new here, just click the link in the description below to get access to all the perks and join our awesome community. All right, let's jump right in. Here's the explanation of the verb to be translated entirely into English. The verb to be is one of the most fundamental and frequently used verbs in the English language. It can function as an auxiliary verb and a main verb, and it carries a variety of meanings depending on the context. Let's explore its uses in detail. The verb to be shares some similarities with the Azerbaijani verb olmak, but it has a broader range of functions in English. At its core, to be expresses existence or the state of being. For example, I am happy. She is a doctor. They are at home. These sentences convey my emotional state, her profession, and the location of a person or thing. Furthermore, to be is used to describe something, like the weather is cold, this book is interesting, or he is tall. In these cases, it describes the weather's condition, the quality of a book, or his physical characteristic. Additionally, to be helps to state someone's identity, nationality, age, or category, such as my name is John, we are Azerbaijanis, or she is 30 years old. Another crucial function of to be is in expressing time. It's an auxiliary verb. It is used to form continuous tenses to show ongoing actions. For example, I am studying, they were playing, or we will be meeting tomorrow. It also helps form passive voice sentences like the door was opened or this song is loved by many. Moreover, to be is used to indicate where something or someone is, such as the keys are on the table, or he was in London last year. Now let's look at the conjugation of to be. Across different tenses, it is irregular, meaning its forms change significantly depending on the subject. In the present simple tense, it is I am, you are, he is, she is, it is we are, and they are. For the past simple tense, all forms are the same, was. For the future simple tense, we use will be for all subjects. In spoken English, to be often appears in its short forms, like I'm your, he's, she's, it's, we're, and they're. There are also negative contractions such as isn't and aren't. When forming questions, we put the verb to be at the beginning of the sentence, like, are you a student? Was he happy? To make a sentence negative, we simply add not after the verb, such as, I am not sad. They are not here, or she was not angry. As you can see, the verb to be is incredibly versatile and essential in English. Understanding its various uses and forms is crucial for anyone wanting to speak and write English effectively. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.